Dear parents, in this video, we are going to explain you how to open e-learning material or e-resources in our school's ERP portal. So, here are the following steps you need to follow to access the information from the given ERP portal.
First, open the browser. Next, type in the address bar www.bbpsmv.com. Press enter. This is our school portal. Click on login. Now enter student login ID and password. Click on login. This is the student dashboard. Go to e-learning option. All the subjects are available according to the student respective class. Click on any subject you want to see. Suppose I click on English. English e-resource detail is available here, where e-resource details are divided into two categories. On left hand side is chapters, and on right hand side content is available in various forms: summary, videos, documents, web content, audio. First, if I click on grammar chapter, grammar is subdivided into tenses, part of speech, punctuation, phrases, and clauses. We take part of speech subunit where one document and one web content is available. Suppose I want to open or download that document. Click on that document. Then PDF file is available. If I click on this blue link, then document will be downloaded in our system. Save file, click on OK. Here is our downloaded document. If I double click on it, this document will be open in our system. Here is our document. Next, if I want to open that URL link, then again we go to web content option. Now URL is available. Click on this link. In next tab, you have to sign in with your Microsoft ID and password to open that link. Enter the student Microsoft ID. Here is our ID. @bbpsmv.onmicrosoft.com. Click on next. Now enter the password. Click on sign in. If you click yes, then next time you need not to enter password again and again. So if you click yes, then it will be registered. Here is the URL link. Content is open. Now I will explain e-resource option available on our school's ERP portal. To do that, go to My Dashboard. Next, click on Downloads option. On this page, students will see different e-learning resources such as PDF files, documents, URL links, audible stories, e-newspapers, etc., which they can access as per their needs and interest. Suppose if you want to read e-newspaper, you have to click on the link provided. When you click on it, your e-newspaper is ready to download. You can save the PDF file by clicking on OK. Here the document is downloaded. Or if you want to read current affairs, click on the link provided. This way you can download the current affairs. Similarly, you can access all these options available on this page. I hope the video makes it easier for you to access e-learning material. Thank you. Have a nice day.